Hey, do you want to learn how to install firmware or update your device linked to? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I've got this link to mounted on my screen, and I've opened up link controller. You can download it from the website. I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. You can check it out at the end on the right hand side. All right, once you have opened up the link controller, on the top right, you're going to find more settings, these three dots, click on it, and then go to settings. Now inside here, go to About Us, that is below hotkeys, and scroll down. You're going to find this over here, link to, with the serial number, version, etc. So right over here, you see reset. So we can restore the factory settings, but if there's a firmware update available, it's going to show up over here, and then you need to press on update. Once done, it's going to start the update process, and your camera will have this blue flashing light on it that I'm going to show you how it looks like. And once it's done, your webcam will work completely fine. There's also a second method to update the firmware via the UDisk mode. This is generally not recommended. You would need to use the first method. It's much better to do it that way. But in method 2, first you need the firmware update file. In order to get it, you need to first go over to insta360.com/download, or you can click here on the top on downloads button. After that, under downloads, you're going to find conferencing, click on that. Then you're going to find the link to here. You need to press on software, and it's going to take you over to the software section. You need to scroll down, and you're going to find the Insta360 link to firmware here. Then you're going to find the latest firmware. You can click on download here to download it, or you can also go over to the earlier version. So you can find all the earlier versions of the firmware. You can download them as well. Next up, you've already got the camera connected to your computer via the USB-C data cable. You need to press the touch key 3 times, and the indicator light will flash blue. Then press and hold the touch key for 5 seconds, and it's going to enter the UDisk mode. After that, you're going to find that there is an Insta360 hard drive in your My Computer. Go inside it, copy the latest firmware update file that you have downloaded off from the Insta360's official website into that folder, unplug and plug in the webcam, and your firmware update will be completed after restarting the webcam. That's it, but it's still recommended to go with the first method and not the second method. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install firmware on Insta360 Link 2. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Insta360 Link 2 related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.